What's good, y'all? This Coach Mike checking in, son, all in my eyes. Hey, I'm here with your minute of elevation. I got a two-part message for you today. So, on Friday, man, I had a little minor setback. Hey, as they say, for a major comeback. I wasn't feeling well. Ended up going to the urgent care, and they told me that I had a upper respiratory infection. So, not able to hit it like I want to in the gym. Not able to run like I want to. Hit the weights like I want to. But check this out. I was able to, this morning I was like, yo, I can't run like I want to, I can't lift weights like I want to, but I can walk. And what I need you all to do is, I wasn't going to sit there and not move until I could. I worked while I waited. Some of you hit a setback and you just stop moving. Do what you can do. One thing I hate is talking to an individual who tell me nothing but excuses of what they can't do. Let's focus on what you can do. Hey, get up, work while you wait, and cap less and grind more. Let's get it.